So today I'm going to show how to search for records on a person. I'm going to be searching for Oli Anderson. The easiest way to search is to go down to this bar that says Search Records, and I like to start with Familysearch. So if you click that, it'll automatically search records for Oli Anderson. Now here it's only searching his name. But I know that he's married to Gureen Randy Larson, and so I am going to add her name as a spouse to see if we can narrow our results. So I'll put Gureen, and I don't know if it's an E or A, I've seen it both ways, and Larson. And then I will update that search. So now it only has 9 results, so it narrowed it down a lot. That's one easy way to narrow down when you're searching for records on a person.